Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Jezreel Talks, where we help African diasporas repatriate to Ghana with ease. Okay, guys, so today I want to talk a little bit about ways that you can earn income online when you come to Ghana. All right, so if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell so that you can be notified when new videos are posted. Okay, so let's jump right into today's conversation. Ways that you can generate income online. All right, so one of the questions that we're asked often is how can I make money while living in Ghana? Or what can I do to sustain myself in Ghana? Well, in this video, I want to share some suggestions that have been known to help people make their move abroad stress-free. While we help diasporans repatriate to Ghana with ease, it's my hope that no matter where the Most High is calling you, these suggestions will encourage you to consider a path that you may not have thought of. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into the first one. All right, guys, so the first one is teaching English online. Right now, English is a highly sought after language. Whether it's for professional or personal reasons, understanding English can help your students reach their goals. All right, and so some of the advantages of teaching English online is the flexibility that it offers, right? You're able to work in the mornings or work in the evenings. The choice is yours. You can also work from anywhere, right? So no matter what country you travel to, as long as you have good Wi-Fi, good internet, you're able to work, right? And also the startup is easy. It's an easy startup. It won't cost you anything as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection. You can set up your account, set up your profile, get your payment details all situated. You have a good microphone, a good camera. You are good to go because you already know the English language, right? So it's an easy startup and it doesn't require a degree, right? It doesn't require a degree. You can teach English online simply because you know how to speak English, right? That's the only requirement at some companies, okay? And so the another advantage is being able to be your own boss, right? So you're in charge of your income, how much you make a month or how little you make a month. The choice is up to you. So if you feel like one month you want to work a little bit extra because there's some things you need to take care of, that's available to you. Or if you feel like, this month I'm traveling, I'm doing a lot of things and I don't really want to dedicate that much time to it, you're able to do that. So the choice is really up to you. All right, guys. So the second way that you can earn income online is through freelance work, right? On sites like Fiverr, Guru, or Upwork, right? You're able to obtain work through freelance. And what that means is that you're able to use their website, set up a profile, and then based on the skills and the service that you offer, you would promote those or market those to a clientele, right? To a customer base. And once the customer sees the service that they need, they will contact you and you will negotiate your price, right? And once you settle on a price, that's it. You begin the work. Once you complete the work, you turn it in to the client. When they approve of it, they're happy with the service. They're happy with the work that's being done. They go ahead and initiate and make the payment. And that is a viable way that you are able to use your skills, use your talents, use your services to generate income online. All right. So next is websites like remote.co and We Work Remotely. On these websites, you'll be able to view job listings such as quality assurance, data entry, customer service. You have engineering jobs, you have computer software jobs, and so the job listings are endless, guys. So these are definitely definite websites that you want to check out and see if they have listings on there that will fit your skill set. And you can also look on websites like flexjobs.com and also workingnomads.com. All right, family, last but definitely not least is starting a YouTube channel. Okay, so I know people say, well, Sadie, listen, I'm not the camera type of person. And it's okay. It's okay. If you're not, then you can find other ways to earn an income. But If you are not shy in front of the camera, YouTube is a viable way for you to earn income simply by just sharing what you're passionate about, right? Sharing about your hobbies and things that interest you, right? And so if you're willing to turn on the camera and put your microphone on and just start to share whatever your skill, your talent, whatever you're passionate about, I say go for it, right? Go for it. You never know who you're going to help. There's nothing that you can't find on YouTube nowadays, right? And you can put in the weirdest things, and I promise you, it will show up on YouTube. It will show up on YouTube. Somebody has done a video concerning it. And so whatever it is that you're passionate about, whatever it is that like you love to do, if you like painting, you can start a YouTube channel that's centered all around your painting. If you like sewing, if you like carpentry, if you like talking about computers, whatever it is that you are passionate about, consider starting a YouTube channel. And you don't have to wait until you get to the continent. You don't have to wait until you get to Ghana in order to begin. You can begin right now, right where you are, right? Start your journey now. All right, family, that's all that I have for us today. Thank you so much for tuning in. But before I go, I do have a question that I would like to pose. And that is, which do you think is more important to have when considering repatriation, right? Is it more important to have a skill or a trade? Or is it more important to have a degree like your bachelor's degree, your master's degree, or even a PhD? Comment down below and let me know what you think. Which is more important to have when considering repatriation? I believe both are equally important. You can have a skill and find that you're able to make more money than someone with a degree. And likewise, you can have a degree in a particular field and be able to obtain a position in a well established company or begin a business of your own. So don't let the thought of having or not having a skill, trade, or degree stop you from making your journey to Ghana. I believe we all have skills and talents. It's just a matter of tapping into it. The most important thing is to focus on business collaboration instead. Understanding that one can chase 1,000, but two can put 10,000 to flight, meaning two can accomplish more than one. And a Ghanaian diaspora business collaboration is definitely a way that we can connect with one another and build and grow together. All right, family. So that's all that I have for this week's episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. Ways that you can generate income online in Ghana. I hope that this information was helpful to you and maybe got you thinking in a different direction, something that you haven't considered before. Now you're considering it. That is possible, right? If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell so that you can be notified when new videos are posted. And of course, family, as always, I will see you next time.